the financialization theme, right? And I feel personally very happy and responsible as well to be developing this equity cult here in India, because it's got a big runway, as you all mentioned as well. So how do you play? There are a few themes. Either you look at it via the stock markets. BSE has done very, very well. IEX has its own set of problems because of the coupling issue. You have MCX as well as NSE in the unlisted market. So some of these stocks have done very, very well. I just want to pull up a valuation plate on the screen. BSE currently trades at around 48 times odd. IEX now trades at around 30 times, but there are some uncertainties out there. And NSE in the unlisted market is trading roughly around 30 times or thereabouts. Well, IEX, the problem is with that coupling, and that's why that stock has been a big underperformer. But otherwise, you pull up the screen, all those stocks have done quite well in the last 1 year or so. AMCs, they have been the other outperformers. In the last 1 year or so, some of these stocks have given you 50 to around 80% returns or thereabouts. And the commentary that's been coming in from some of these AMCs has been very good. SIP flows are going up, so it's one way to play it. The other one is, HDFC AMC, valuation-wise, it's not very, very cheap, but the results were strong. There was AUM growth over them, and the yields as well increased. So the street, did take note of that, and the stock ran away. Nippon, the revenue number was a bit of a miss, but operationally it was quite strong, and that's why that stock as well has done well. I think there was a large seller which has got cleaned out, so that's why that as well in the last couple of weeks that's come back into play in the AMCs. And UTI, it was the estimates, it was more or less in line, but I think they lost some market share. That stock has done quite well. All these names, they trade anything between 19 to around 30 times on a forward earnings, UTI being the cheapest at around 19 times odd. Brokerages and wealth companies, you have a lot of them that done well. Actually, Angel One has been a rank underperformer. If you compare it to Motilal and the other stocks in there, Anand Rathi, you have 361, WAM, Nuvama as well. Keep in mind, all these stocks, they're trading at roughly around, 20 to around 45 times or thereabouts. But all of them actually have doubled, barring Angel One. It did well in the previous year, but in the last year, it's been a bit of an underperformer out there. And finally, the enablers. The K-Fintech, you have CAM, CDSL, and Prudent Corp. Prudent Corp, even today, after its numbers, it was up more than 15%. And the good part about these enablers is that the numbers have been very, very good. All of them, CAMS came out with a good set of numbers, K-Fintech as well. So there's a big basket of these financialization themes to play. I wanted your opinion. Madhu, you go first to tell us.